Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make black bean corn salsa. First, let's gather our fresh ingredients. You'll need one 15-ounce can of black beans, thoroughly rinsed and drained, along with 1 1/2 cups of sweet corn kernels. Don't forget 1/2 cup of finely diced red onion and 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro. For a little kick, prepare 1 minced jalapeno and have the juice of 1 fresh lime ready to brighten all the flavors. Now, let's get our produce ready. Start by rinsing your 15-ounce can of black beans very well under cold water until the water runs clear, then drain them completely. If using frozen corn, ensure it's fully thawed. For fresh corn, you can quickly blanch it for about 2 minutes. Next, finely dice your 1/2 cup of red onion and chop your 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro. Remember to carefully seed and mince your jalapeno to control the spice level. It's time to bring everything together. In a large mixing bowl, combine your rinsed black beans, corn, diced red onion, and chopped cilantro. Now, add the minced jalapeno and squeeze in the fresh juice from 1 whole lime. For seasoning, sprinkle in about 1/2 teaspoon of ground cumin and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Gently stir all these wonderful ingredients together until they are thoroughly combined, ensuring every bite is bursting with flavor. Your delicious black bean corn salsa is now ready to enjoy. While you can serve it immediately, allowing the flavors to meld for at least 30 minutes in the refrigerator truly enhances the taste. It's perfect with crispy tortilla chips or as a vibrant topping for tacos, grilled chicken, or fish. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator, and it will stay fresh and flavorful for about 3 to 4 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.